Look at this beast, the Derbi Senda. For me, personally, one of the baddest mopeds out there. I bought this machine 6 months ago for €950, purely for fun. But now it's time to make some room. And you won't believe how much profit I made with almost zero effort. Today I'll show you why this might just be the GOAT for anyone looking to start motor flipping. But first, we need to talk about the dodgy repairs by the previous owner. Since I was 16, I've ridden everything. Dexes, scooters, you name it. But the Derbi, that's on another level. It's a 50cc, but with this setup, it pulls like crazy and easily hits 80 miles per hour. It feels like a real motorcycle. I've ridden it for 6 months with pleasure, without a single problem. But for the sale, I wanted to make it Joffreymotors worthy. Okay, look at this. The previous owner told me his uncle put this around it for the heat. But this isn't heat wrap, guys. This is literally rope. It's completely scorched onto the exhaust. With a scraper, heat gun and some adhesive remover, I went through it. After that, I polished the exhaust and painted the cylinder with 600-degree heat-resistant paint, which looks pretty crusty, I'm not gonna lie. Check out the difference. Normally, I slave away for weeks on a project. 8 hours a day of blood, sweat and tears for maybe €200 or €300 profit. But this Derbi, it was different. Usually, I take the time to drive to a great location for a professional photo shoot so the ad looks perfect. This time, I didn't even bother. I just snapped a few quick photos in the garage and listed it online. I listed it online and it flew away. And the crazy part is, it sold within 24 hours for a whopping €1,500. That's €550 pure profit on a moped I've ridden for free for half a year and only spent an afternoon cleaning. This raises the question for me. Are Derbis the absolute GOATs for flipping? They are big and heavy to transport, but the market is insane. Or are you Team Dex or Team ST70 or CT70 when it comes to profit? Let me know in the comments, because I want to know what your next project is. Don't forget to subscribe to Joffreymotors for more flips. See you in the next one.